Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Now let's see question number 3. Prove the following. So number 1 question, root 2 into sine of pi by 4 plus theta is equal to cos theta plus sin theta. अब हम देखते हैं इसका सॉल्यूशन. So we start from LHS, that equal to root 2 into sine of pi by 4 plus theta. So we write root 2 as it is and sine of pi by 4 plus theta, इसके लिए हम फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे साइन ऑफ a प्लस बी, जिसका आंसर आता है हमें साइन ए कॉस बी प्लस कॉस ए साइन बी. So we write root 2 as it is. Present case में a means pi by 4 and b means theta. So we get sine of pi by 4 into cos theta plus cos of pi by 4 into sin theta. On further simplifying, root 2 as it is in bracket. Now from Trigo table, sin pi by 4 means sin 45 degree, कि जिसका आंसर आता है 1 by root 2 into cos theta we write as it is plus sin 40 cos 45, कि जिसका आंसर again we get 1 by root 2 into we write sin theta as it is. अब ब्रैकेट में ऑब्जर्व किया तो we get 1 by root 2 common. So we take 1 by root 2 common from both terms. So the next step will be is equal to root 2 into 1 by root 2 bracket cos theta plus sin theta. अब root 2 cancel किया. So we get finally cos theta plus sin theta, that is nothing but our right hand side. And therefore LHS is equal to